Good morning, Ben.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. How are you today? Okay, so I will share to you, Ben, the screen. Wait, hold on. Excuse me. What's up, Ben? Oh, later na, later na. Okay, so Ben, we have here the wait, Ben, how it's hotel.
Di ba? Học rồi.
Okay. Okay, Ben, we have now 7C. Let us have this. Okay, look at the pictures, Ben. Okay, what can you see on the screen? You can see what? What can you see on the screen, Ben?
Passport.
Mm-hmm.
A passport.
Yeah, it's a passport. So you can see in here the passport. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. For 40 minutes in 1 hour. 1 hour, then study. Okay. Do you think people should be able to live and work in whichever country they choose? Do you think they can do that? Do they have the freedom to do that?
Yeah.
Of course, they have. Okay, people can choose where they want to live. Okay, it is really up to them. But the problem is, it's very hard to transfer from one place to another. Okay, that's tough. It's quite uh, very adjustable. Okay, so we have here the word jetty. Okay, it's a wall or platform built out in the sea, a river. Okay, jetty. Okay, delinquent. What is delinquent? It's a young person who tends to commit crimes. Okay, delinquent are young person who tends to commit crime. Okay. Loud. Okay.
Loud hailer.
Hailer, a device for making your voice sound louder that is wider at one end and is often used at outside events. Okay.
Persecute.
Persecute, to treat somebody in a cruel and unfair way.
Mortar.
Mortar, it's to attack somebody. Something using a mortar. Okay. So, haversack. Okay, haversack,
Haversack.
like a bag that is carried on the back or over the shoulder, especially by soldiers or when walking in the country. Okay, wait me, Ben. After water. Next, doctorate. The highest university degree. It's doctorate. Next is contaminate. To make a substance or place dirty or no longer pure by adding substance that is dangerous. Okay. Small open boat that is you sail or row. It's what you call as a
Dinghy.
dinghy. I'm not familiar with dinghy. I only knew that it's a small. Okay, in my country we call it bangka. Okay, disconsolate means very unhappy and disappointed. So I am so disconsolate. So it means I am not happy, very unhappy. Okay, Coast Guard.
Coast Guard.
Okay, an official organization in the US, a branch of armed forces whose job is to watch the sea near a coast in order to help ships and people in trouble and to stop people from breaking the law. Okay, Coast Guard.
Refugee.
Refugee, okay, the person, people who has been forced to leave their country or home because there's a war, like people in Ukraine. So mostly a lot of people in Ukraine are considered as refugee band because of the war in Ukraine. Have you heard the war in Ukraine? Have you heard it? There's a war in Ukraine. And there's a lot of people that can be considered band as refugee. Okay, we call them as refugee band. So there's many people who been considered as refugee. Okay. So another band we have, okay, immigrate. It means to leave your own country, or I will immigrate to leave your own country to go and live permanently in other country. Example, I will go in Vietnam and I will live there permanently in Vietnam. So that is immigrations. That's immigrate. Okay. Okay, next one. A person who moves from one place to another in order to find work or better living conditions. Okay, this is migrant. If you move from one place to another, if you immigrate, you will be called as migrant then. Okay, now Ben, please try to read the text, look at the gaps, and decide what part of speech is missing in the word. Example ha, adverb. Okay, so you can
Wait,
choose.
we done this.
We done this, the adverb thing.
Yeah.
This one also. Please tell me which part. Okay, this one. Not yet.
Wait. We done this.
Okay. This one. Done.
We done this too.
This is 7C. And this one
We
also.
done this.
Okay,
this
let us
too.
move 7D. Okay, this is 7C. Okay, let us move to 7D. Okay, so we have this one is 7D. Okay, so this one. So I guess we're not yet done talking about time traveler. Okay. So we have here, Ben, discuss the questions here. Now, please try to look at this. So we have here about movie. Okay. So we can see different movie and how we travel each movie. Okay. Now, how many books or films and TV programs can you think of which include the idea of time travel? Okay, so do you know time traveling? Wait, I will bring. Do you know time traveling, Ben? Do you know the words for time
Yeah.
traveling?
Yeah. I know.
Okay. Okay, so how many books, films, and TV programs can you think of which include the idea of time travel? So what are? So in the movie, we can see Ben different movie with different explanations about how we travel, what are the time travels, what are happening, many books and movies. Okay. And why do you think the idea is popular in fictions? And for what reasons do characters usually go time traveling? What do you think are the reasons?
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
S-
Okay, I don't know. Maybe usual to help somebody or to change time. Okay, so
Mm.
actually,
Mm.
I cannot pinpoint what exactly book that will show you time traveling. So actually, there are many movie band. Okay, so for what reasons do character usually go time traveling? Okay, so of course, it really depends on what is the director's given to you, the task. If it's time traveling, so maybe they want people to experience what happened when we travel through our time. Okay? So The Time Machine by H.G. Wells is considered to be one of the first novel about time travel. Okay, this one. So it was published in 1895 and introduced the idea of the time machine. Okay. So the protagonist, who is never named, is an English scientist, an inventor who invents a time machine and travels to the year 802701 after death of Jesus. At this future world seems beautiful and peaceful, but the time travel soon discovers that reality is sinister. Okay. So we have here, Ben, I will not put all the words because it's so many, Ben. Okay, it will consume time. Okay, suppose, tantalize, okay, tantalize or wildfire, enterprises, merchandises, interference. Okay, please take a look of this, Ben. Okay, I will just take a pictures of this later after the class, Ben, so you can use this vocabulary. Okay, this one. Okay, so starting today, Ben, I will take a pictures for all the vocabulary. I will send it to you. Okay, so we have here, Ben, complete the sentence with an appropriate word or phrase below. More than the one answer is possible.
See? Well, I'm done.
Yes. Okay. So we have here. First is the drawing. Okay. Ostensively or seemingly showed a time machine. Okay. He is alleged. Okay. Ostensively, seemingly on the face. Writer's comments about divergent timeless are consistent with the theory of okay, so-called multiverse. I didn't hear multiverse. Perhaps the story of John title shows people alleged apparent supposed. Okay, quite hard, Ben. Hard? You find it hard? Okay, the
Uh,
term is hard. Okay, so we have here. In this one, okay, well, let us skip this one, Ben. Okay, please read the text and encircle the correct answer. Okay, please bear me, Benha, because I know our topic is grammar. Don't worry, we are nearly finished with Soul Advance. After that, Ben, after Soul Advance, Ben, I want to introduce another topic for you so you can share it a lot. So, mix. I will try to share mixed topic. Wait me, Benha. I will just go to the bathroom. Done, Ben? Okay,
I'm
just tell
still.
me if you're done. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we are talking here. John Titor's claims to be a time traveler were not immediately dismissed as a joke because the answer is, your answer is he posted so many messages. The answer is he was happy to provide a lot of information. Okay, in the future, described by John Titor. Okay, what is in the future? Okay. Okay, the answer is people talk to their neighbors and help each other. So this is the theory described by John Titor. What happened in the future? Okay. Now people live in a small, close-knit communities. Okay, so actually, I know it's hard, Ben, because it is not stated directly what will happen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 3. When Titor offered to take volunteers with him, he warned that what?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Could about the IBM 5100 prove that? Okay, answer Ben is okay, letter D. He knew something about IBM. So here, he warned, okay, when offered to take volunteers, he warned that physical experience of time travel was not pleasant. Okay, so it means it would be uncomfortable journey. So I know it's very hard because the answer is not directly giving you the hint. It's very hard. So you have to take the hint for you to answer. Okay, I know, Jim, very hard. Okay. So Ben, we don't have enough time. So we will continue discussing task 5. We are not yet done. We will be having 70 task 5 tonight. Okay? Ben?
Wait, what?
Do we have class tonight at 8 p.m., right?
No, like, can we
Why?
have tomorrow's morning?
Okay, tomorrow morning, 8 p.m.
Wait, tomorrow morning. Yeah, like 8 a.m.
Yeah, 8 a.m. Ben, because teacher will go somewhere after your
Wait.
class. Okay?
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you later, okay?
Okay, yeah. You tell me later, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ben.
Bye.